Tired of staring at the same old TradingView colors? Let's spice things up and learn how to change the theme in your TradingView Desktop app. First, locate the File menu in the upper left-hand corner of your TradingView application. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From the File drop-down menu, find and click on Settings. This is where we can customize the look and feel of our application. Selecting Settings will open a new window with various customization options. In the Settings window, look for the Appearance tab. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the window. Click on the Appearance tab to access the theme settings. Under the Appearance tab, you'll see a theme option, likely with a drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down menu to reveal the available themes. You'll typically find options like light and dark. Sometimes there's even an auto option that will automatically switch between light and dark based on your system settings. Simply click on the theme you prefer, such as dark. The TradingView application will instantly update to reflect your chosen theme. Experiment with both light and dark themes to see which one you prefer. Depending on your version of TradingView, you might even find additional options for customizing the background color, text colors, and other visual elements. Feel free to explore these options for even greater personalization. And that's it. You've successfully changed the theme in your TradingView desktop application. Enjoy your customized trading environment, and happy charting!